Hello, Market Club members everywhere. Jeremy Lutz coming to you from the digital studios of Market Club. Well, stocks are fluctuating near all-time highs today as investors weigh the prospects for further gains. And this comes after some mixed corporate earnings from companies like Netflix, Johnson & Johnson, and Goldman Sachs. So with that, we'll go ahead and take a look at the charts. As you can see, just a quick overview of the portfolio. The three main indexes are down today. Not really down much, but a little bit. And the scores still remain on a positive trend. But we'll go ahead and start looking at the CME here. The S&P 500. Currently, chart analysis score of a plus 90. All three green trade triangles are a go. Currently trading at the 2,160 level today. As you can see, a new weekly trade triangle triggered back towards the beginning of the month. We will carefully watch this, but it still has some room to go. Current level to watch for the S&P 500 would be 1,991, 68. So 1991.68. This would trigger a red weekly trade triangle indicating a move to the sidelines position. But as you can see, we got quite a bit of room for that to happen. So we just have to sort out and see where this heads from there. Moving along, take a look at the Dow. Currently trading roughly 18,524. Still a chart analysis score of plus 90. Monthly, weekly, and daily green trade triangles are green, indicating a long position. Key level to watch for the Dow will be 17,063. 08. 17,063.08. That would indicate it's where a red weekly trade triangle would trigger, indicating a move to the sidelines position for the Dow. Moving along, the Nasdaq chart analysis score plus 90. Monthly, weekly, and daily trade triangles are all green, indicating a long position. Key level to watch for the Nasdaq would be 4,574.25. So 4,574.25 would be a red weekly trade triangle trigger, indicating a move to the sidelines position. As you can see, again, from the Nasdaq and the Dow, quite a bit of move down it would take for that to happen. So, just patiently stay long if you're long. We'll just have to keep an eye on these and see where they head. Not really much happening today as everybody kind of digests corporate earnings. Gold plus 65. Currently in a sidelines position based on a red daily trade triangle triggering at 1341.69. Key level to watch for gold to enter a long position will be 1,338.90. So 1338.90. If we were to get above that level, we would issue a green daily trade triangle indicating a move to the long side in gold. Gold currently trading sidelines at a plus 65. Moving along, Netflix, as you can see, huge move, gap down on their earnings yesterday, issuing an entry into a short position based on a red weekly trade triangle. Key level to watch if you take that trade to get short Netflix will be 101.27. That's where you would sell your short position, 101.27. That would trigger a green weekly trade triangle indicating a move to the sidelines position. And moving along, Nintendo, if you saw my post earlier last week, buying on the green weekly trade triangle here, it's had a significant move up, but it looks like it may be coming back to reality today with a huge down day today. Currently down a little, almost 8%, back to the 34.41 level. If you're sitting long on this position, it may be time to take some profits off the table. There's nothing wrong with that. Maybe pull half off. I've done that myself, and I'm kind of sitting here watching where my stop level is, which I have set at just above the third, like right around this level here, 32 level. So it might be something to keep an eye on. But left definitely looks like it's giving back some of its gains from all the hype on Pokemon Go. Moving along to the dollar index, futures contract for September issued a long position today based on a monthly trade triangle. We've actually been long a little bit longer than that in our World Cup portfolio based on the dollar index itself. Key level to watch for the dollar will be 95.37. 95.37 would issue a red weekly trade triangle indicating a move to the sidelines position in the dollar. Crude oil entered a short position yesterday based on this red daily trade triangle at 44.95, currently trading at 44.78. Current level to watch for crude oil will be 46.14. 46.14 would issue a green daily trade triangle indicating a move to the sideline position for August crude oil. Looks like we saw some room to move down on this as well, though, so keep an eye on it. Goldman Sachs, had disappointing earnings as well. Still sitting on a sidelines position based on a monthly and weekly trade triangle. Really looking for a monthly trade triangle to get back long on Goldman Sachs. In the meantime, a key level to watch to get short Goldman Sachs, if you're inclined to do so, would be 142.62. That would issue a red weekly trade triangle indicating a move to a short position for Goldman Sachs. Goldman Sachs currently trading at a plus 60, indicating a sidelines position for Goldman Sachs. Here we have Johnson & Johnson, currently trading at a plus 100, even with the earnings miss, currently trading at 124.77 today. Key level to watch for Johnson & Johnson will be 121. Actually, we'll write this a little better here. 121.34. So if Johnson & Johnson happened to move down to 121.34, then we would trigger a red weekly trade triangle indicating a move to the sidelines position. So definitely something to keep an eye on. With that, we'll wrap it up. Every success in your trading, and we will talk to you tomorrow. Thank you.